Hello and welcome to the Discot's Guide to Travelling with Children. I don't have children, however I do have a relative who has given me some top tips on how to make your holiday more enjoyable when travelling with a younger child. Their number one tip was book fast passes. Use this as this saves waiting in long lines where a child can get bored and tired and grumpy, and it makes the whole day more enjoyable. Use the My Disney Experience app to check wait times, show times, and keep up to date with information that you need throughout your day in the theme park. If you're in the Magic Kingdom and you're tired and you want to rest, go on the steam train that takes you around the park. It keeps your child amused, you cool down, you relax, and you get to sit down for a while. Take time to relax and have days by the pool. Children can't go to a theme park every single day without becoming really tired. They love spending time at the pool, and it means they'll be more relaxed and you'll all have a better time. When you're walking through the busy theme parks, make sure you've got hold of your child's hand. It's so busy, it's easy to lose them when they want to wander off to see things. Also take a backpack with snacks and drinks for them. When you're waiting in a queue, you can give this to them. It means they're not going to get as grumpy and tired. Take an autograph book so that the child can get the characters' signatures. You can pick them up at Walt Disney World. If the child gets really tired and has a meltdown, leave the park. It's not enjoyable for anybody. Go and take some time out, and if you like and you feel like you can, go back to the park later on that day. But it's more enjoyable for everyone if there's not a child kicking off. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, please give us the thumbs up. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Thank you very much. Goodbye.